Today's video is going to be a Crocktober collab video with the group from YouTube Mommy Meetup. Today's recipe is going to be a crock pot peach cobbler. You're going to need your crock pot, of course, peaches in heavy syrup slice. It's a can. You're also going to need milk, flour, butter, sugar, cinnamon, and baking powder. The measurements and everything will be in the description box below, so make sure you check that out so you have the right measurements for all your ingredients. So let's go ahead and get started with our peach cobbler. So right here I have my crock pot already connected, and I'm going to be melting the butter. It's 1 cup of butter, not 1 cup, half a cup of butter. In a mixing bowl, you're going to be mixing your cup of flour, your cup of sugar, and your cup of milk, and those are all 1 cup measurements. Along with that, we're gonna take 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Right here you can add anything else that you like, but that's what I put on ours. So you're gonna mix very well so you get all of those little clumps dissolved as possible. You can put it in a blender if you like, but not necessary. You're gonna be opening your can of peaches. I don't have the electrical one, so but the hand one will do. This is a big can, but you can do with 2 50-ounce ones. So now we're gonna put our batter inside. And one key thing is, do not mix. Just pour it in there. Just put everything in there. Do not mix at all. Then we're gonna spoon or fork in our peaches, and do not mix. Just put them on top, right on top, everything. One little tip, if you're gonna see at the end, if you don't want all the syrup to be in there, because we're gonna add the syrup as well, just add half or as little or as much as you like. Do not mix. I put a towel here to catch condensation. It didn't create that much condensation, but make sure to do it. Put it on high for 1.5 hours or 2 hours. And let's get to waiting. After the 1.5 hours that I left it a little more than 1.5 hours. You can see it was little condensation on the towel, but that's how it is. Another little tip, if you want it more baked, because ours was a little bit smooshy, you can leave it for 2 hours or a little longer. I already turned it off. I'm gonna wait there till it gets a little bit cooler and not so hot to eat. After you have done it, you pick up your favorite bowl, spoon a little bit of the peach cobbler in there. I do recommend for you to leave it a little longer than I did. And put some vanilla ice cream in it, or whatever ice cream that you have, and that's it. Right here we have it, delicious. That is all for the recipe, and just enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you already did, thank you very much, and we'll see you next time on another video. Thank you for the YouTube Mommy Meetup group to let me participate in the collab. All the links are in the description below.